Our planet is a restless, ever-changing system. Over millions of years, its surface morphs and shifts. Continents drift, mountains rise and fall, and oceans expand and contract. Imagine gazing 100 million years into the future. What will our planet look like? How will life adapt to these dramatic changes? Let's embark on a journey through time to explore the fascinating possibilities. We begin our journey in the distant past. About 335 million years ago, a supercontinent called Pangaea dominated the globe. Surrounding this massive landmass was a single, vast ocean called Pangaea. Over millions of years, Pangaea slowly broke apart. This process, known as continental drift, continues to shape our planet today. Understanding the past is key to unlocking the future. By studying Earth's history, we can make predictions about what lies ahead. The future of our planet is a tapestry woven from the threads of geological processes, climate change, and the evolution of life itself. The Earth's continents rest on massive slabs of rock called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, driven by the heat from Earth's core. This movement is slow, typically only a few centimeters per year. However, over millions of years, even these small shifts can lead to dramatic changes in the arrangement of continents and oceans. The Atlantic Ocean, for instance, is slowly widening as North America and Europe drift apart. In contrast, the Pacific Ocean is shrinking as the Pacific Plate slides beneath the surrounding plates. These movements will continue to reshape Earth's surface in the future. The collision of tectonic plates can also trigger powerful earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These events, while often destructive in the short term, play a crucial role in shaping Earth's landscapes and driving the evolution of life. Looking ahead 100 years, we enter the realm of human impact. Our species has become a force of nature, altering the planet's climate and ecosystems at an unprecedented rate. The consequences of our actions over the next century will reverberate for millennia to come. The burning of fossil fuels has released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the planet to warm. This warming trend is already having profound effects on Earth's climate, from more frequent and intense heat waves to rising sea levels. If we continue on our current trajectory, the next 100 years will see even more dramatic changes. Sea levels could rise by several meters, displacing millions of people living in coastal areas. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and droughts, will become more frequent and severe. Fast forward 1,000 years and the consequences of our actions become even more apparent. The world will be a very different place, shaped by both the forces of nature and the hand of humanity. If we are to survive and thrive, we must transition to a more sustainable way of life. This means embracing renewable energy sources, reducing our carbon footprint, and developing technologies that can help us mitigate the impacts of climate change. The good news is that we have the ingenuity and the resources to meet these challenges. The next millennium could be a time of great progress, where we learn to live in harmony with our planet and create a better future for all. Section 5. The rise of the waters. As global temperatures rise, glaciers and ice caps melt at an accelerating rate. This meltwater flows into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise. Over the next 250,000 years, this process could redraw the map of Earth, submerging coastlines and creating new inland seas. Imagine the Statue of Liberty standing in the ocean, the water reaching her torch. This is the potential reality of rising sea levels. Coastal cities, home to billions of people, could face inundation. Low-lying island nations could disappear entirely beneath the waves. However, the rise of the waters will also create new opportunities. As sea levels rise, new shallow seas and inland waterways will form. These new environments could provide habitats for a diversity of marine life and offer new opportunities for transportation and resource extraction. Section 6. Humanity's evolving form. The human species is not static. We are constantly evolving and adapting to our environment. Over the next million years, natural selection and technological advancements could lead to significant changes in our physical and cognitive abilities. One possibility is that humans will become taller and more slender. This is because a taller, leaner body is more efficient at dissipating heat, which would be advantageous in a warmer world. Our brains may also continue to evolve, potentially leading to increased intelligence, enhanced creativity, and new ways of perceiving the world. However, it is also possible that technology will play an even greater role in our evolution. We may see the emergence of cybernetic enhancements, genetic modifications, and even the merging of human consciousness with artificial intelligence. Section 7. The rise of the machines. Speaking of artificial intelligence, the next million years could see the rise of sophisticated machines capable of exceeding human capabilities in many areas. These machines could take on a variety of roles, from performing complex tasks to providing companionship and assistance. Imagine robots working tirelessly in factories, performing surgeries with precision, and even exploring the depths of space. These advancements could free humans from mundane labor, allowing us to focus on creative pursuits, scientific discovery, and personal fulfillment. However, the rise of artificial intelligence also presents ethical challenges. We must ensure that these machines are developed and used responsibly, always prioritizing human well-being and ethical considerations. Section 8. New Earths arise. As continents continue their slow dance across the globe, new islands will emerge from the ocean depths. These islands, formed by volcanic activity and the accumulation of sediment, will provide new habitats for life to colonize and evolve. Imagine pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and unique species found nowhere else on Earth. These new islands will be like blank canvases for evolution, offering opportunities for life to diversify and adapt to novel environments. The formation of new islands also has implications for human exploration and settlement. These islands could serve as stepping stones for future generations venturing beyond Earth, providing resources and habitats for expanding human presence in the cosmos. Section 9. Pangaea Ultima, a new supercontinent. Looking even further into the future, current models of plate tectonics suggest that in about 250 million years, the continents will converge once again to form a new supercontinent. This future landmass has been dubbed Pangaea Ultima. Imagine a single, vast landmass stretching from pole to pole. The interior of Pangaea Ultima would likely be a vast desert, scorching hot and dry. The coastal regions, however, could support diverse ecosystems, shaped by the interplay of ocean currents, wind patterns, and mountain ranges. The formation of Pangaea Ultima would have profound implications for life on Earth. It would create new opportunities for species to interact and evolve, potentially leading to both mass extinctions and the emergence of entirely new forms of life. Section 10. Digital Consciousness, the Final Frontier. Finally, we reach the culmination of our journey 100 million years into the future. At this point, it is possible that humanity, as we know it, may no longer exist in its current physical form. Instead, we may have transitioned into a new era of digital consciousness. Imagine a world where human minds are no longer confined to biological bodies. Our thoughts, memories, and experiences could be stored and shared within a vast digital network. We could interact with each other and with the physical world through advanced interfaces, transcending the limitations of our current physical forms. This transition to digital consciousness raises profound questions about the nature of life, consciousness, and what it means to be human. It is a future filled with both exciting possibilities and daunting challenges. Section 11. Our legacy, their future. As we conclude our journey through time, it is important to remember that the future is not predetermined. The choices we make today will have a profound impact on the course of Earth's history and the fate of life on our planet. Will we continue down a path of environmental destruction and unchecked technological advancement? Or will we choose a more sustainable and equitable future, one where humanity and nature can coexist in harmony? The legacy we leave behind will shape the destiny of countless future generations. Let us strive to create a future worthy of our descendants, one filled with wonder, possibility, and a deep respect for the planet we call home.